Hi, I'm Erica Larson, and I am the KaVo Territory Manager for Los Angeles North. The user-friendly QUATTROcare Plus Handpiece maintenance system is designed to clean, lubricate, and purge your instruments with the simple push of a button. Simple operation and loading make the QUATTROcare Plus easy to use. Maintenance with a QUATTROcare Plus system means less water, less repairs, less staff downtime, smoother operation, and increased longevity of your handpieces. QUATTROcare Plus can be used for virtually all manufacturers' high speeds, low speeds, quadra-angles, straight handpiece, air-driven scalers, and air motors. Now I'm going to show you how easy it is to use this maintenance system. The first thing you're going to want to do is put on your gloves. Then we're going to get a damp, disposable cloth and wipe down the handpieces. If there's bioburden left on the handpiece, clean under running water just using a brush. A mild detergent is acceptable. Be sure that all bioburden is removed before proceeding to the next step. Now open the front flap. Grasp the recesses on the left and right of the front door, pull forward and down to open. Mount the handpieces on the service coupling to lock them into place. Not every adapter has to be used. Mount the heads on the service coupling. Push back on the lock sleeve and snap it into place. Make sure to push the actuating sleeve into the associated flap to ensure proper servicing. Push the front door upwards to close it. Now it's time to start the treatment. Make sure that the main switch is on the control panel. Then push the start key. The automatic servicing process will start. The automatic servicing time for handpiece is approximately 40 seconds. After the servicing process is complete, the LEDs of the couplings in use will light up and the acoustic signal will be emitted. The LEDs will stay lit until the front doors open. The service procedure will then be complete. Now we will remove the instruments. The exterior of the handpieces needs to be wiped off thoroughly with a towel before removing them. Pull the handpiece in the axial direction of the service coupling to take it off. Then you're going to press the latch with a thumb and take the handpiece off by simultaneously pulling in the direction of the axis of the service coupling. Wipe down the exterior of the handpiece with a dry towel to remove any expelled debris. The handpiece should be completely dry at this point. Bag and sterilize per the manufacturer's instructions. Be sure to allow the handpiece to complete the drying cycle. Do not, under any circumstances, run a handpiece under water to cool it down. This will cause significant damage to the handpiece. Maintaining the handpiece chuck is vital to handpiece performance. The new Chuck Care system in the QUATTROcare Plus provides easy automated maintenance of handpiece chuck with a touch of a button. Chuck maintenance is included as a special mode in the QUATTROcare Plus. KaVo recommends caring for the handpiece chuck once per week. Place the quick nozzle on the QUATTROcare actuator. Ensure the small tip nozzle is used. Place the opening for the burr on the small nozzle. Press the spray button for 1 second. Purge the handpiece for 10 seconds.